If you're ever alone and in bed at night, and the only thing you can hear is yourself breathing heavily, try this. Suddenly and randomly stop breathing. You'll trip it up. You know it's there. And it knows too. Sleep well.